Hello there, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome back to this video, and I hope all is well. Today, we're diving into why simplicity and authenticity aren't just nice buzzwords. They're the keys to building real connections and growing your business. So, let's keep it simple and let's get started. Have you ever spent hours or even days staring at a blank screen, wondering how to market your business? Should you post another perfectly edited video? Or maybe write that witty caption that'll grab everybody's attention? You're not alone. Overthinking is a common trap, especially in marketing. We second guess every decision, every word, and every image. But here's the truth. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, keeping it simple and authentic is often the most effective strategy. The key to successful marketing isn't about the flashiest or the most polished. It's about being real. Authenticity creates connection, and connection builds trust. But why is simplicity so powerful? Because people don't want perfection. They want you. They want to know the person behind the brand, the real story, the struggles, the wins, the lessons you've learned along the way. See, when you try too hard to overcomplicate things, you lose that connection. You end up focusing on what instead of the why. And trust me, people can sense it. They know when something feels forced or fake. So, how can you keep your marketing simple and authentic? Here are 3 steps. First, focus on your message, not the packaging. You don't need fancy tools or expensive edits to provide value. What matters most is the content, whether it's a quick tip or a personal story or a solution to a common problem. Second, speak from the heart. Let your personality shine through. Share your struggles, your wins, and even your quirks. See, people connect with what's real, not what's rehearsed. And finally, don't wait for perfection. Action beats overthinking every time. You don't have to get it perfect. You just have to get it done. So here's the bottom line. Marketing does not have to feel like a chore. When you lead with value, show up authentically, and keep things simple, you will not only attract the right audience, but you will also keep them coming back for more. So, if you're tired of overthinking and want to see how we've created a simple business that's authentic, effective, and built for earning from home, take a peek at what we do and see how simple success can truly be. The answers are often simpler than we think. They just require action. Visit freedomlifebusiness.com today. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.